Good morning and welcome to the daily morning updates from Extended Broking Services. I'm Prasad Manuel. The Nifty ended for the fourth consecutive session in red and it was nearly 2% down. Yesterday we saw close to a 300 points brutal fall and brutal selling which has happened yesterday in the markets. What led to these things? It's maybe a pre-budget nervousness or the profit taking. Markets just simply ran off high. So most of the traders and most of the institutions, they wanted to book profits and they wanted to clear themselves before the upcoming budget big event. So this has led off to a massive selling. If you see the bank nifty, it was closed down to 7% and 1000 points, nearly 1000 points, that was a fell off. Nifty from the high is in 5% down. So all the good results, if we can see, all the good results coming from the markets are being sold. So that shows that profit taking is a clear signal and the markets are looking weak. If you take the FII numbers, FIIs yesterday have sold close to 1688 crores and even the DIIs have sold close to a mild margin of 3.3 crores. This indicates for the past 3 sessions, FIIs are continuously selling, and this gives a firm assurance that they are into profit taking. So if you see the mother market, that is the US market, overnight US market, Nasdaq as well as Dow Jones, we saw a 1.5 to 2% correction there in the US market also due to a sell-off. This all leading to a day of event. There will be more sell-off we can expect for the day, being a monthly expiry for this Thursday. So we can expect a more sell-off happening in the market today. That's what SGX Nifty is also indicating at this time when I am speaking with you now. It's close to 130 points down. So what are the levels and how is the market texture? Let's go into that. The market texture is weak and it has moved down from buy on dips to sell on rallies. That is clearly evident. So we need to see the data, put and call rating data. If you can see the put and call rating data in F&O, 14,100, 14,200 and 14,000 are the call rating which is happening. We can see this is very near to the spot price. And put rating is happening close to 13,900 and 13,500 levels. The more the call rating happening, we can see the more the downfall in the market. And the VIX volatility index is also gone up close to 24.5%. That is also a key level we need to watch out for. The texture of the market has changed to sell on rallies. We need to be watchful and our trades should be hedged. The levels in important support and resistance levels for Nifty will be for the day today will be 13,750. 50 DMA daily moving average will be around 13,700 and the resistance for the Nifty will be 13,350, which is the 20-day moving average. Either side a breakout happens, we can see a downfall happening more. Yesterday we discussed that anything below 14,000, it can lead up to 13,600. So it is clearly evident that any breakdown below 13,700, it can lead to 13,600 and 13,500 ranges. That's what we are expecting in the coming week, maybe in the month of February. So the bank Nifty support resistance will be around 30,850 and 31,500. We can see the bank Nifty and support resistance. For what we need to watch out for the day, the key events, the results, the main results for January 28th today will be Maruti Suzuki, Lupin Interglobe Aviations, IRCTC, Mahindra Financial Services, Pidilite Industries, Tata Chemical, TVS Motors are among the 129 companies which are going to release the results. Stovecraft, the IPO, which got subscribed 100%, so you can look out for that stock also. So yesterday there were a couple of results, more results were there. The key results were coming from HUL. It was a decent inline result with decent numbers, quarter growth, and their expectation for the upcoming quarters also is very positive. Axis Bank has a very mixed set of results, so we need to watch out for that stock. The main important stocks we need to keep an eye on today is Infosys, Maruti Suzuki, Lupin, TVS Motors, Axis Bank and HUL. These are the main stocks we need to keep a watch. Stay tuned for our daily market updates in our Telegram channel. Subscribe to our channel and hope you are happy with the videos which you are sending. So keep subscribing to our channel and like our channel too. Thank you so much. Have a great day.